The origins of Kung Fu are shrouded in the mists of antiquity, as far back as prehistoric man, imitating the movements of animals as he sat around the cave fire. And so the tradition was handed down. But there was no system to it, nor any structure, till the abbot of Shaolin, concerned for the well-being of his monks, refined Kung Fu into 72 basic styles. As a result, the monks of Shaolin became the leading exponents of Kung Fu throughout China.
Shall we attack?
No, not yet. We must kill the girl. We can't have... Are you ready to die now?
Right. Just you try it.
Nobody is going to save you now.
I suppose you want to be my student? Yes. I've pledged myself to learn Kung Fu, but I know I'm still ignorant. I've a long way to go. I've been looking for a teacher without success, but I heard you're an expert, so I have come to test you out. Test me? I thought you wanted to be my student. I want to have the best teacher, but you can't beat me at Kung Fu. How can I ever expect to learn anything from you? All right. You've got guts, and you're smart. And if you do beat me, feel free to use this stick to beat me for my insolence. And I promise you my complete loyalty. All right. And if you beat me, I'll not be your teacher. I am very grateful. Are you ready? I'm ready. Now. Weren't you just using the Wu-Tang school method against me? Forgive me. Bye. Goodbye.
Good morning.
Can I help you?
I'd like some water.
Right. Here you are.
Thank you.
You sick?
Just a twinge. It's nothing.
Ah.
Do you live alone here?
No. I live here with my sister. She's gone shopping.
I'll go then.
Is your sister at home?
No, she's still in town.
Still in town? I hope you're not lying to me. Now listen, I'm intending to marry your sister today. And your family should consider itself honored by that.
Huh. Well, that's entirely up to my sister.
Right. We'll be back later.
Sister!
Sheila, I nearly missed you. I'm taking you to get married today.
Daoku, the fact that your family's so rich means nothing to me. So get out of here.
You hear that? Shilon isn't interested in my generous offer.
Hold it!
Who are you?
I've never met garbage like you in all of my life.
Master, all right?
Get him!
Let's go! Let's go!
Thank you very much, sir. And may I ask your name?
That's all right. My pleasure.
If you'd like to stay here, we'd be delighted to have you. Excuse me.
Sorry, big boss.
No big deal, don't worry about it, kid. Feed him to the fish. We are the bad guys. We're meant to do the killing, and not the other way around. Our reputation has been tarnished because these two idiots pretended to be members of the Axe Gang.
Oh, easy, big boss. You were all upset. You might miss it and get even angrier. Anyhow, you are the boss here. Let your man do the dirty work. Do the dirty work!
Come on. All right. Come on. Throw the cake. Go on. That's it. One more. Hey, that's a fake. Thank you. Come back here. Hey, come on. Hey, come back here. Get it. Hey, come back here. Come back here. Grab him. Hey, come on. Come on, don't let him get away. Hey, come on over here. There he is. Quick, hey, after him. Hey,
Mister, whatever you lost, I'll pay.
Liar! A pack of lies! I ain't never stole that much. I swear I only took 4 taels of silver.
Here it is back.
Hey,
All right, I don't want any trouble. Let him go.
Come on. Next time. You're even worse than them.
But it's their money. You should give it back to them. Aren't you grateful to me for saving it?
Why should I be? I didn't need your help. They wouldn't have beaten me to death.
Oh, why not?
So if they killed me, they'd have to pay for my funeral. A waste of money. They wouldn't do that. Hey, where are you off to?
Where I go is none of your business.
Oh, whatever your reason, you did help me. Mother said, never forget to repay a favor. If I don't follow, how can I repay you?
Please meet Mr. Liu.
It's a great honor indeed, sir.
I'm flattered. Get up.
My lord.
Oh, this Ming ceremonial. It's one of our failings.
Mr. Hu is the man I told you of.
Good. Very good. Oh, tell me, which is your sect?
Well, in fact, it's very similar to you, Mr. Liu.
Hmm? How do you know that?
The style that you use is one of the 32 of the main Sung styles, a classic technique. The same style that I've been studying, too, since I was 6, so that's how I knew it.
Oh? But the style that you used was not one of the 32 Sung styles.
Out of deference to you, I use the Sun Sek style. It's gentler.
You're better than I. Well, tell me then, which of these various styles do you think is the best then, huh?
I'd rather not answer that, if you don't mind.
But he has asked you. I think you ought to reply.
All of the styles have their drawbacks. None's perfect. The Liu Jiang strike technique is weak in its defenses, and Li Ban's kicking style cannot match the eagle claw. And so the best idea is to combine the best of all styles, knit them together so their strengths cancel out all their weaknesses. That way, an all-round expertise is quite possible. My friends, I'll drink to you.
Drink to that.
Yeah.
Hold on. Listen, don't forget us when they make you an official in the city.
Don't worry. When that General Chow is killed, I'll be a very rich man. Hey, listen. You were telling me that General Chow is after me?
Right. He's coming here. But don't you worry. We've set a nice ambush for him. There's an inn that's run by some good friends of ours. And they've prepared a warm welcome for the General. And so we just sit here and wait for the news of his death.
Waiter!
Hey, over here, waiter.
Waiter.
All right. Oh.
Coming, sir.
Over here.
Just stand.
Good morning.
Yes.
Hey, doctor. Those needles, what can they cure? Listen, do you think you can cure me?
Of course. I'd be pleased to.
See what you can do.
All right, I'll try.
Later.
Sorry, the wrong size needles.
Whoa.
Buddha's name be praised. Buddha's name be praised. Buddha's name be praised. Buddha's name be praised. Buddha's name be praised.
Miss Sue, do you want to become a nun? Don't you think that's a waste? No wonder I couldn't find you.
You...
Nobody is going to save you now.
You...